We're happy that you made the decision to become a Bullfrog Spa owner. Today we're going to discuss some of the different functions and settings that come standard on every spa in our R Series collection. As we discuss, I invite you to follow along using the owner's manual that came with your spa, or visit our website at bullfrogspas.com/manuals. Priming mode is part of the normal startup sequence in every Bullfrog spa. During this mode, the spa will take about 5 minutes to essentially make sure there's water in the spa before it turns on the rest of the components. When you first power up the spa, it will display Run Pumps Purge Air. This is indicating that the spa is in priming mode. The spa will exit this mode automatically after about 5 minutes unless you manually exit by pressing the up arrow. While the controller is idle, its home screen will display the current temperature of the spa, the heating mode, as well as the temperature range. In addition to the digital display, there are indicator lights below telling whether the jets are on, if the light is on, or if the spa is currently heating. Now, depending on the size of your spa, your controller may have 1 or 2 jets buttons. To operate the components in your spa, use the buttons to the left of the display. Pressing the jets button once will turn the pump onto a low speed. A second press will kick the pump to a high speed. A third press will turn the pumps off completely. Hitting the light button will either turn the lights on or off. And as you turn the lights on or off, it will change the colors as well as the color mode. Let's suppose I want to set the temperature of the spa to 103 degrees. To do so, you will use the arrows to the right of the display. Notice that as you press either the up or down arrows, the current temperature will begin to flash. This is indicating that you are editing the desired temperature. Let's arrow up to 103 degrees. To save, press the menu select button. The spa will now display its current temperature as it heats to your new setting. To navigate the settings menu, you will use the menu select button. As you press the menu button, you will see options to hold the spa system, adjust the temperature range, adjust the heating mode, set the time of day, flip the panel 180 degrees, lock the panel, adjust the filter cycles, as well as some other more advanced options. Now, generally, to adjust the options for each of these items, you will use the up or down arrows as well as the menu select button. For example, if I wanted to invert the panel to make it easier to read inside of the spa, I would press the menu button until the word flip is displayed. Now, once I find flip, I'll press the up arrow to rotate the display. To save, I'll press the menu select button. Repeating the process will turn the display back around. Let's suppose I wanted to put the spa on hold, say to swap a jet pack or clean the filters. I would press the menu button until the display reads hold. This is essentially the spa's pause button. Hit the up arrow to begin holding. Now, if the spa is heating, it may take a moment for it to shut down all of its components. The spa will remain in this mode for 60 minutes before it returns to normal operation. Now, if you would like to exit before the 60 minutes is up, simply press the menu button. Bullfrog spas come equipped with dual temperature range. This is convenient for those of you who are regularly out of town or experience dramatic seasons. High range allows the spa to operate between 80 and 104 degrees. This is your normal operating mode. I use this mode during the winter time when I'm actively using my spa several times during the week. Low range allows the spa to operate between 50 and 99 degrees. This is useful if you're going to be out of town for an extended amount of time or if you have exceptionally warm summers. To switch between the two modes, starting from the home screen, press the menu select button about 2 times until the word temp is displayed. While temp is on the display, press the up or down arrows to switch between high or low range. When the arrow is pointing up, the spa is in high range. When the arrow is pointing down, it is in low range. To save, press the menu select button. Every Bullfrog spa comes equipped with 2 different heating modes. Now these modes control how often the spa turns on the pump that circulates the water through the heater. The first mode is ready mode. Now in ready mode, the spa will circulate the water every half hour to check the temperature, heat as needed, and refresh the display. This is a good mode to be in if you like to know that your spa is hot and ready to go when you want it. The second is rest mode. When in rest mode, the spa will only circulate the water during its programmed filter cycles. Now if it circulates and finds that the water is below the desired temperature, it will heat until it reaches that setting. Now if you're using the spa while in rest mode, it will display ready rest. This is indicating that the spa is in fact in rest mode, but is currently heating. Rest mode is recommended for the best economical performance. So let's talk about how to switch between these 2 modes. To adjust the heating mode, hit the menu select button about 3 times until it displays mode. From here, use the up and down arrows to toggle between ready and rest. To save, press the menu select button. Setting the time of day in your spa helps it to determine its filtration cycles as well as other background features. To view the time of day, press the menu select button about 4 times or until it displays time. Here the controller will display its internal clock. To set the clock, press the down arrow. You will see the hour digits begin to flash. To adjust the hour, press the up or down arrows. To move to the minutes, press the menu select button, again using the up or down arrows to adjust the time. To save, press the menu select button. Filtration is an essential part of the cleanliness of your water. Now all Bullfrogs have their filter cycles programmed straight from the factory, but you can adjust the start time and duration of these cycles to fit your needs. So let's take a look at how to do that. Press the menu select button 6 or 7 times until you see the letters FLTR or filter. Notice in the bottom right corner the 1 indicating you are working with filter cycle 1. Now let's adjust the beginning time for filter cycle 1. Using the up or down arrows, you will choose the hour and minutes that filter cycle 1 begins at. Hitting the menu select button allows you to choose how many hours filter cycle 1 will run for. Up and down to adjust the hour, and again for the minutes. To save, press the menu select button. Repeat this process for filter cycle 2. In a Bullfrog spa, you have the option to lock the controller. This can be used to prevent unwanted use or unwanted temperature adjustments. To lock your panel, press the menu select button about 6 times or until the word lock is displayed. If you press the down arrow, it will first display temp. Using the temp lock option will restrict any adjustments to the temperature and the settings. Pressing the menu select button from here brings up the letters PANL. This option allows a complete lockout of the panel. Depending on whether you want to lock the temperature or the entire panel, the process is the same. For example, while the controller displays panel, press the down arrow. From here, you can toggle the panel lock off or on. To save, press the menu select button. Notice the panel now restricts all operations, and when you press any button, it displays lock. The panel is locked. To unlock the panel, press and hold the up arrow, and then slowly press the menu select button twice. The panel is now unlocked.